Welcome back everybody to the R44 YouTube channel. Today we've got a really interesting build and we've got me on the tools doing the job. So yeah, Rat Bay, we've got our M3 over there. We've also got this G83 M3 with a full M performance kit in for some suspension, currently being worked on. And then today's build. So this is an N55 M2. This is the OG M2. This is where kind of I originated from and got some of the parts that I had on my car. So today we're going to do a full stage 2 build, including all the supporting mods. So to walk you through kind of what you need to do for a stage 2 is obviously you need to get the air into the engine quicker. So we've opted for an MST intake, really cost effective intake, good quality, really nice noise. So we'll get some pre-revs as well. You then need to get the kind of air out of the engine, the gas out of the engine. So we've gone for a sports cat actually. So this is a really cost effective, again, sports cat. So really good quality from VRSF, sports cat in there. So we've gone for that. Obviously you're increasing the power, the pressures within all the parts of the engine are higher. So we've gone for a charge pipe, we've gone for a forged charge pipe and an intercooler to cool everything down. So that's the engine wise. We're then gonna go for a boot mod 3 map, kind of just tune it to what the customer wants, and then we've gone for a full LED steering wheel with carbon top, bottom with leather sides and a carbon trim to match it all up nicely. So that way you can kind of just, you know, you've got the sound, you've got the feel, and then you've got the feeling like the steering wheel for the stage 2. So that's gonna be really cool. So again, you know, these parts are parts that we ship out every single day. Behind you, well, behind Dylan is the warehouse. So yeah, they're like really popular parts. We like them. They're really easy to fit. We think maybe about 3 hours install, get it all tuned up. It's already sat on springs. I believe they are H&R IBACs, and it's got full carbon kit already. So it's juiced up, ready to go. We're gonna get cracking straight into it. If you have any questions about these parts, as always, drop us a call or an email or drop us a DM on social media. But let's walk you through kind of the steps involved. We're gonna get the car up, take the wheels off and go from there.